Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, we're back, and thanks for sticking with us. This has been a long haul. We're at day 26 of 30 Days of Questions. I hope you stayed tuned for yesterday's. That was pretty cool on the kill switch. So today we are on to lawnmowers, and this is pretty interesting. Why doesn't my lawnmower have an oil drain plug on it? What a piece of crap.
A lot of lawnmowers years ago, Briggs & Stratton, Tecumseh, they had those oil drain plugs right underneath where you had to flip it over and you could undo that drain plug and then drain your oil out. Hondas don't have that anymore. Briggs & Strattons don't have that anymore. I agree with you. I think it's kind of weird. A lot of people actually say to me that these manufacturers are just getting super cheap right now. They're saving like $2 by not putting that drain plug in there anymore. If you have like a generator or a riding lawnmower or a car or a truck, an automobile, they have drain plugs on them because you can't just flip a car over and drain the oil out where you put the oil in. April probably could do that, but I can't flip a car over. So I think that they are probably saving a little money from doing that, but also I honestly believe that on a lawnmower, it is completely unnecessary because you can flip that lawnmower over on the side and drain the oil out exactly in the same place where you fill the oil up. It's super easy on a lawnmower, a walk-behind lawnmower. On a lawnmower, you can either tip it over like that and drain it into an old cake pan or something like that. A lot of people like doing that anyways because while it's flipped over and draining the oil, then you can take the blade off and sharpen the blade and everything. You got to tip it over anyways.
Yeah, do all your maintenance.
Do all your stuff underneath there that you need to do while the oil's draining out. You don't need that drain plug. There are these vac things. They're like a big bottle that you pump it up, and it's an oil extractor or a gasoline extractor with a hose on it, and you can just stick that down in there too and pump it, and it'll suck all that oil out too. As a matter of fact, I want to tell you that I have worked with so many small engine mechanics that even those old ones that had drain plugs on them,
Let me guess, they don't use them.
they don't use them anyways. They don't. You're absolutely right. There's the drain plug on the bottom, and they're like, well, it's way faster for me just to flip it over. And I don't even use the drain plug anyways because it's faster and it's cleaner. It doesn't get all over the place on some lawnmowers. So you're absolutely right. So to answer that guy's question, I don't think you can really say that your lawnmower engine is a piece of junk because it doesn't have an oil drain on it. Of course, hey, if you had a generator or a riding lawnmower or something like that that didn't have a drain plug in it, well, yeah, that's pretty stupid. But a walk-behind lawnmower, who cares? Flip it over and do your thing. Any
Fair
other
enough.
questions?
No.
No questions? No questions?
No, that's awesome.
All right.
That makes a lot of sense.
Those drain plug, what the hell are you using a drain plug for?
Okay, awesome. Give them the thumbs up for that. And subscribe if you haven't. And stay tuned for day 27. What do we got? Oh,
I don't know.
Some muffler issue with weed eater again. All right.
Another weed eater question. All right, coming up.
Okay, if you missed our previous days, don't forget to just check the description below this video or go back to our channel, and you can always go to the Saloon Mail playlist. Hit that bell notification button so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. And other than that, we're done.
Right on.
Okay.
Hey, can I do this? Am I allowed?
All right.
April and Steve out.